Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that can affect the performance of your vehicle, a clogged fuel injector. In this video, we'll explore the causes behind clogged fuel injectors and discuss the symptoms to help you identify and address this problem. So, let's get started. What is a fuel injector and its importance? Before we delve into the causes and symptoms, let's quickly understand the role of a fuel injector in your car's engine. A fuel injector is a vital component responsible for delivering fuel into the combustion chamber. Fuel injectors work by spraying a fine mist of fuel into the intake manifold or directly into the combustion chamber. This atomized fuel mixes with the incoming air, allowing for efficient combustion. The fuel injectors are controlled by the engine's electronic control unit, ECU, which ensures the right amount of fuel is delivered based on factors such as engine load, RPM, and throttle position. When a fuel injector becomes clogged, it can disrupt this process and lead to various issues. Causes of clogged fuel injectors. Now, let's explore the common causes that can lead to clogged fuel injectors in your car. 1. Contaminated fuel. One of the primary causes is using low-quality or contaminated fuel. Impurities, such as dirt, debris, or water, can accumulate in the fuel system over time, eventually clogging the injectors. 2. Fuel additives and deposits. Certain fuel additives or low-quality gasoline can leave behind deposits on the fuel injectors. These deposits can build up and restrict the proper flow of fuel. 3. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance, such as fuel filter replacements or using outdated engine oil, can contribute to clogged fuel injectors. Over time, debris and particles can accumulate, hindering the injector's performance. 4. Environmental factors. Extreme temperatures, especially in regions with hot climates, can cause fuel evaporation and leave behind residue that can clog the injectors. Symptoms of a clogged fuel injector. Now that we understand the causes, let's discuss the symptoms that indicate a clogged fuel injector in your car. 1. Rough idle. If your engine idles roughly or feels unstable when you're at a stop, it could be a sign of a clogged fuel injector. The uneven fuel distribution can disrupt the engine's smooth operation. You may notice the engine shaking or vibrating when the car is at a standstill, making it uncomfortable and potentially indicating a clogged injector. 2. Engine misfires. Clogged fuel injectors may cause the engine to misfire, which means that the fuel is not being properly ignited. This can result in a rough-running engine, noticeable vibrations, and even potential damage to the engine over time. 3. Reduced power. Clogged fuel injectors can disrupt the proper fuel flow into the combustion chamber, leading to a decrease in engine power. This can result in sluggish acceleration and overall poor performance. 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. When fuel injectors are clogged, the fuel spray pattern becomes uneven, leading to inefficient combustion. This can result in decreased fuel efficiency, causing the car to consume more fuel than necessary. 5. Increased emissions. Clogged fuel injectors can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to incomplete combustion. This can result in increased emissions of pollutants, such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons, contributing to environmental pollution. 6. Engine stalling. In severe cases, clogged fuel injectors can cause the engine to stall or shut off unexpectedly. This can be dangerous, especially when driving at higher speeds or in traffic. It's important to address clogged fuel injectors promptly to avoid further damage to the engine and to restore optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance and using high-quality fuel can help prevent fuel injector clogs. Tips for preventing fuel injector clogs. To prevent fuel injector clogs and maintain optimal performance of your car, here are some tips. 1. Use high-quality fuel. Choose reputable gas stations that provide high-quality fuel. Avoid filling up at stations with a questionable reputation, as their fuel may contain contaminants that can contribute to injector clogs. 2. Regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for your vehicle. This includes regular fuel system cleanings and inspections. Regular maintenance helps keep the fuel injectors clean and functioning properly. 3. Fuel additives. Consider using fuel additives specifically designed to clean and maintain fuel injectors. These additives can help remove deposits and prevent clogs. Follow the instructions on the additive packaging for proper usage. 4. Keep fuel tank full. Maintaining a higher fuel level in your tank can help prevent the accumulation of sediment and debris at the bottom. This reduces the chances of these particles reaching the fuel injectors and causing clogs. 5. Avoid long-term storage. If you plan to store your vehicle for an extended period, consider adding a fuel stabilizer to the tank. This helps prevent fuel degradation and the formation of deposits that can clog the injectors. 6. Regularly drive the vehicle. Regularly driving your car helps keep the fuel flowing and prevents fuel from sitting in the system for extended periods. This can help prevent the buildup of deposits that can lead to clogged injectors. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to fuel injector clogs. By following these tips and maintaining a proactive approach to fuel system maintenance, you can help ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle. If you suspect a clogged fuel injector, it's recommended to consult a professional mechanic or visit a trusted service center. They have the expertise and specialized tools to diagnose and clean clogged fuel injectors effectively. And there you have it, folks. We've discussed the symptoms of a clogged fuel injector, a problem that can significantly impact your engine's performance. Remember to pay attention to signs such as rough idling, engine misfires, poor fuel economy, reduced power, and increased exhaust emissions. Taking timely action can save you from more severe engine issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or experiences related to clogged fuel injectors, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.